Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can create a website by using simple ChatGPT. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So first we're going to go for the ChatGPT. So as you can see, I rightly logged into the ChatGPT. You can simply log in. After logging in, you can simply type over here, create a simple HTML website with CSS, and I can simply click enter. And as you can see right now, it's adding the HTML plus CSS code over here. So as you can see, it's rightly write a code over here for creating a HTML website. So what we're going to do, we're going to open our Visual Studio Code and going to set the index.html file. After that, we're going to copy the code over here like this by simply click on here, copy, and then I rightly go for the Visual Studio Code, and then here I will simply paste the code over here and I can simply save it. So now what we can do, we can simply click on the right mouse button and go for open with live server. So if we do this, as you can see, it's rightly showing the website over here like this. So we created a simple website over here by simply using HTML and CSS. If you want a little bit advanced, then I can show you in another video how you can create an advanced website by simply using ChatGPT. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you for another video. Till then, goodbye.